Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Hey, you creative beings around the world, I'm greeting you from the bottom of my heart. Have you ever known that if you raise your hands in the air, or your arms in the air like that, it's not possible to get unhappy or to be unhappy. Try that out for you. It's a wonderful thing of Mother Nature that she protects us with this kind of instrument inside of our body. Hey, if you are painting, if you are a painter, and that's fantastic. And I hope from the bottom of my heart that you enjoy your painting and enjoy what you are doing. And I hope you love what you do. I hope you love your pictures from the very first moment. This is a fact in soul painting. So in soul painting, what we are doing is that we release our thoughts. So our thoughts get so less that we are in the very moment. And in the very moment, there are not much thoughts. There are no thoughts. And when we are painting in this kind of state, it's very easy to accept what is coming, to tolerate what is on the paper or on the canvas. And it's very easy to allow yourself to play with the colors, allow yourself to bath in the colors, and even allow yourself to use colors which you would never use, and then feel what a great thing is coming on your canvas or on your paper. Soul painting is such a good way to let it go, to let it flow, and to have much fun. It is like a transformation. So if you want, try that out. It is a great stuff. It is a great thing. And there is a free guide for you, waiting for you. You can download it and start at any time you want to. So just go on this website, which is meant here. It is happysoulpainting.com, and there you can get a free guide. Lots of love to all of you.